Good morning everyone, it's me Louie Carpuz. We are still at home, but we're gonna walk going to UB. We're gonna enroll my son, so University of Baguio. Let's go. We're gonna walk going to University of Baguio. Welcome to Baguio City. Look at this Tamaraw FX Hilux. I like it. Tamaraw FX Hilux. Let's go. With my ever trusty Adidas shoes. And my BBZ Snapback Cap Beer Below Zero. Almost every day I pass by this place. It's Upper Market Subdivision. Just below is the Baguio City Market. Okay, we're already here, Baguio City Market. We're already here, Baguio overpass. Let's go into Harrison Road, Session Road. We're gonna go here. Okay, we are here in BPI Malcom. BPI Malcom. We're gonna withdraw money first. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna pass by this shortcut. Going up there. Already here, General Luna. That's already UB. Okay, University of Baguio. Hello everyone, welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Today we're gonna walk and check out some nice things and places here in Baguio. Let's go. David's Tea House. Here in Cedar Peak.